We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Breathable Bluetooth Headband. This product combines a sleep mask with wireless Bluetooth headphones designed to provide a comfortable and immersive audio experience while blocking out light for better sleep. It aims to serve side sleepers, travelers, office workers, and anyone who needs to listen to audio without disturbing others or dealing with uncomfortable earbuds. Starting with the build and design, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones feature a 3D contour design that provides ample space around the eyes, relieving pressure and facial tension. The mask is made from soft memory foam and lined with smooth ice-silk fabric, which users consistently describe as soft, breathable, and cool to the touch. This fabric also incorporates light-blocking technology with an innovative nose baffle to ensure near-total darkness, which is especially appreciated by people who use CPAP therapy or have trouble sleeping in bright environments. The mask fits comfortably under headgear or sleep caps, making it versatile for different sleeping setups. The adjustable hook and loop strap accommodates all head sizes, allowing users to customize the fit. However, some users note that the headphones inside the mask can shift during sleep, especially for active sleepers, requiring occasional repositioning to keep the speakers aligned with the ears. Despite this, the overall comfort is rated highly, with many side sleepers reporting only mild discomfort if they remain on one side for an extended period, which is far less than the discomfort caused by traditional earbuds like AirPods. Sound quality is a standout feature for this product. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the headphones offer crystal clear HD stereo sound with a range of up to 33 feet. Users report that the sound quality rivals that of premium earbuds, making it suitable for listening to music, ASMR, podcasts, or white noise. A notable point is the ability to experience 3D or 8D audio effects where sound moves between ears, which is especially important for ASMR enthusiasts. Despite the speakers being positioned close to the ears but not inside them, the mask effectively contains sound, so it is barely audible to others nearby even at high volumes. Battery life is impressive, with a full charge taking only 1 to 2 hours and providing up to 14 hours of continuous playback. This allows for an entire night of use without interruption. The mask remains silent when the battery is low, avoiding any disturbance during sleep. The USB Type-C charging cable included ensures fast and convenient charging. From a usability perspective, the controls are simple and accessible, allowing users to manage playback and volume without needing to look at the mask. Pairing with Bluetooth devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops is quick and reliable. The product comes with earplugs, a carrying pouch, and a user manual, adding to its portability and ease of use for travel or office naps. In terms of drawbacks, some users wish for better adjustability of the internal headphone position to prevent shifting during sleep. The product is not water resistant, so care should be taken to avoid moisture. The lifespan of the product is still uncertain for some early users, but initial experiences suggest good durability. Overall, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth eye mask is highly recommended for anyone seeking a comfortable, high-quality audio sleep mask. It addresses common issues with traditional earbuds such as discomfort and falling out during sleep, while also providing excellent sound and light blocking. It is an economical choice that exceeds expectations in comfort and functionality, making it a must-have gadget for improving sleep quality and relaxation. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this great sleep aid.